Sir John Betjeman, 1906 to 1984, was UK poet laureate from 1972 until his death, and became one of Britain's best-loved poets of the 20th century. When his collected poems was published in 1955, it was a bestseller. Here, I would like to introduce Death in Leamington. This was one of Betjeman's first published poems, appearing in the 1932 volume March Sion, Betjeman's first collection. It describes the lonesome death of an old lady in the English Midlands spa town, and even though it's an early poem, it already displays Betjeman's eye for small everyday details, such as the tea things and the landlady turning down the gas in the hall. I would like to demonstrate to you, with that you may give some comment. Death in Leamington. She died in the upstairs bedroom, by the light of the evening star that shone through the plate glass window from over Leamington Spa. Beside her, the lonely closet lay patiently and unstirred, but the fingers that would have worked it were dead as the spoken word. And nurse came in with the tea things, placed high mid the stands and chairs. But nurse was alone with her own little soul, and the things were alone with stairs. She brought the big round window. She let the blinds unroll. She set a match to the mantel. She covered the fire with coal. And tea, she said in a tiny voice. Wake up, it's nearly 5. Oh, Twinsy, cheeriness. Half dead and half alive. Do you know that the stucco is peeling? Do you know that the heart will stop? From those yellow Italianate edges, do you hear the pasta drop? Nurse looked at the silent bedstead, at the grey, decaying face, as the calm of a Leamington evening drifted into the space. She moved the table of bottles away from the bed to the wall, and tiptoeing gently over the stairs, turned down the gas in the hall. Thank you for your listening.